Let's make the simple, easy ice cream recipe. Hello, nice to meet you. This is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes and where you always love. Okay, so please do not make it the last time of visiting. Just subscribe for more videos or follow for more videos. They don't take money. It is absolutely free. Thank you so much for doing it. Let's start with today's activity. I have with me here half cup of milk powder. You can use any brand of your choice, okay? Dissolve that with any liquid of your choice. And I am going in with some water. After dissolving it, we are going to add the next ingredient. My returning ones, thank you so much for always spending some time with me. I don't take it for granted, okay? Thank you so much. You can use whole milk instead, okay? So any liquid of your choice should be okay. After that, I am just going to add my evaporated milk. Use any brand of your choice. And this recipe is basically milk, okay? You know, the Ghanaian Abele Walls, we usually use milk, okay? It's 100% milk, and that is what we are going to do in this video. Now the next ingredient I'm going to add is from the video we did, milky donut. If you remember, I told you I did not like that recipe, so I did not even waste my ingredients. So this consists of whipping cream, condensed milk, and then milk powder, okay? I'm just going to add that to it. Now after adding it, this is how it looks. So now let me list all the ingredients for you. Let's start again. So in all, we added a cup of powdered milk, half cup of evaporated milk. We added 5 tablespoons of condensed milk. We've added our whipping cream, which is half cup, and then I added half cup of coconut milk, okay? I love coconut. And now we have mixed everything, so this is how it looks. So please use those measurements. Yes. Now after mixing everything, I am just going to pour this in my cups and then add my sticks to it. Keep it in the freezer for the next day. Just look at how creamy it looks. Very creamy. Now with the Ghana Abele Walls that we know, we do not add whipping cream, okay? With the typical one, no whipping cream, but with this I added it because of the extra ingredients we added from our previous video. Yes, now we are done with everything. You can use the chewing sticks or the ice cream sticks. You are good to go. And I am just going to freeze this. I had some also in the rubber, and this is how it looks. We are going to add that as well, and see you tomorrow. Now the next day, this is how it looks. Just look at how creamy it looks, and you can see very well that the milk powder was enough. Just look at the color. It was very milky. Yes, try this recipe and let me know the outcome. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way next time, eat healthy. See you in the next one. Bye bye.